Hello everyone. Today I bring you a truly extraordinary pocket watch, an ultra-giant model from the famous Omega, equipped with one of the largest pocket watch calibers ever produced by the brand, the 38D L15P99, created by the Brandt brothers at the end of the 19th century. Stay until the end to discover the full splendor of this rare masterpiece of watchmaking. Share your opinion in the comments, and don't forget to support the channel by subscribing so you won't miss any future updates. At the end of the 19th century, the Brandt brothers, founders of Omega, unveiled one of their boldest creations, the 30-foot 8D L15P99. This giant caliber, over 67 millimeters wide and 12 millimeters thick, was engineered to run for 8 full days on a single wind. Known as a Goliath movement, it was used in oversized pocket watches and desk clocks as a showcase of Omega's mastery. Yet, it had a short life, soon replaced in 1896 by the smaller 27-foot 8D L17P98, which featured 2 extra jewels and another click spring for better performance. More than just timekeepers, these rare 8-day Omegas embodied the Brandt brothers' vision of innovation, prestige, and excellence in watchmaking, treasures that remain highly prized by collectors today.